In this video, I will show you how a one-page website gets 93.3 million monthly visitors and make a lot of money, and how, if you stick to the end of the video, I will show you a software that builds one-page money websites like this, and I will show you how you can drive traffic to this website 100% free and make affiliate commissions. You ready for this? Let's do this. But first, let me show you how I do research and find these awesome ideas, spy on other people, and learn from them. And I literally, this way, make money while simply Googling or browsing. My name is Mosh Bari, and I am a software creator, digital product creator. My products are listed mostly on Warrior Plus, a lot of them on JVZoo, and in a lot of places. But here is one of my affiliate accounts on Warrior Plus. This year alone, in last 10 months, I made $114,000, $114,815, and from another account, I made $61,403. Now, what's the difference between these two accounts? You see, for this account, I made on the average $1.57 per click, per hop or per click. So from per visitor, I made $1.57. But in this account, I made $2.10 per click, which is around 50 cents more than this. How did it happen? And how can you make more money just like this account? Stick to the end of the video and I will share with you. In fact, you will get an opportunity to make more money like this account. So let's begin. I was looking for some traffic idea on Pinterest. In case you don't know, Pinterest has almost a billion visitors per month. Currently, they already reached 1.18 billion, but currently they have 991 million visitors per month, which is pretty awesome. I found a pin and I went to the pin. I saw it's from Mashable.com. So I looked into Mashable.com's analytics and I found they have 8.89 million visitors. Super awesome. 65% of their traffic is organic and search engine traffic, 99% organic basically. And one of the top keywords they get traffic from is YouTube to MP3, which is interesting. Why would people search for YouTube to MP3? This caught my attention and I went to Google Keyword Planner tool. I put locations: Canada, Denmark, Germany, UK, and US, language only English, and platform only Google. And I searched with the keyword YouTube to MP3. And what I found was mind blowing. 7.4 million, almost 7.5 million people search with the key phrase YouTube to MP3 every single month. And there are so many other keywords that gets thousands of searches per month. So I searched Google with the same key phrase and I found this website, and this is a one-page website. Other than FAQ, news, and other things, they have only this page where you put a video URL. Either they will give you MP3 or they will give you MP4 and a little text and nothing else. And they have two ads on the top right corner and at the bottom right corner, and that's it. Now, I was really curious how much traffic they are getting, and imagine they have 93 million monthly visitors, which is almost 10 times than Mashable.com. Well, Mashable is a huge website, but this is a one-page website that gets 93.3 million monthly visitors, and 100% of their traffic are organic. 44% direct traffic who come directly to this website, and 53% are from search engine. And of course, YouTube to MP3 is the key phrase they get all their traffic from. Now, the most interesting thing here is that the competition, basically paid traffic competition for this key phrase, is low. So there is a chance you can run ads with this key phrase, with a little issue that YouTube doesn't like their videos to be downloaded. This is according to their policy. But ranking out of 1.5 billion competitors will not be easy. So how can we get traffic with a one-page website and using this key phrase? So I made a plan. I looked for a keyword that has best YouTube to MP3 converter type of topic, where I can find articles that will review different kind of softwares. And guess what? This keyword or key phrase has over 22,000 monthly visitors or monthly searches. This is awesome. So I looked on Google and I found these awesome articles. Now I'm going to make a one-page money website like this in just a few clicks. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, link to the Maven app is in the description. Go get it. Now I need traffic. I have an awesome article. I can share this article with people who need this information. So I will go to Quora, where a lot of people are asking the same question. Look at this. This question has got 3,000 views. This question has got 7.2 thousand views. This question has got 208 views. Not so big, but there are a lot other questions that are getting a lot of views. All I need to do is to reply to their questions and refer my one-page website to them. If linking is possible, it's good. If not, then just put spaces before com and after HTTPS. This will make the whole thing as a text string and add remove spaces. And then share this, copy this string and share with your reply when you reply on Quora. This way, you will not get booted if the moderators don't like. Yeah, that's it. By the link to the Maven app is in the description. You can get it via this webpage. So we searched for the keyword best YouTube to MP3 converter and we came to this article and this article. And what we are going to do is to copy the URL, go to our Maven app, click add blog, paste the URL, click create. Well done. Content has loaded successfully. Now I can add image if I want. I'm going to search for something like YouTube. Let's choose this one for the example. And we have imported all the content. Now we can use some formatting like selecting the text, bold, italic. We can even change headings, etc. We can use the Control F or Command F on our keyboards to find keywords like YouTube to MP3 and embed our link if we have any. It can be affiliate link or it can be opt-in page link. Let's copy the Maven app's website URL or the sales page URL. Select the text, click the URL, paste it, open a new window, click save. Let's make it bold. Now copy the whole text, go to the next one, select the text, Control V. Go to the next one, select the text, Control V. Now we can go on and we can do our formatting anytime we want, like selecting, making them bold, italic, more, bold, italic, just doing some formatting and it's here. Let's add another link here, Control V, new window, click save. Okay, let's say we are done. Remove this and click save. We have to add blog title, best converter review. Click save, the content is saved. Now this content doesn't belong to us. It's a borrowed or hijacked or copied content. We have to rewrite it. So we are going to use our AI function to rewrite and turn this article content into our content. Almost 100% unique and super high quality. Click, just one click and the job is done. The content is rewritten and now it's our content. Click save. Now if I want to add more like opt-in forms, we can add custom text or HTML section. The form code should be copied from the autoresponder and pasted here. If we want to add any anchor text, we can do it. We can add image, get from Pixabay, just click on the location, set this one. We can Control X and Control V anywhere we want. If you want to add a video, all you need to do is to get the embed code of the video, go to the video section, Control V, change the dimensions, make it a little smaller, click the location you want to paste it, click add and the video is added. You can go on and add as many elements as you want, and once you are done, click save. Add author name, add a description, add some anchor tags, choose category, and if you have an external script like analytics or retargeting script, paste them here, and either you can choose to publish later, choose date and time, or you can publish now. Your page is ready. Your awesome money making page is ready. Not only this is your one page website, but also it is your blog that you can visit anytime, add more and more content if you want, just by copying and pasting and clicking, and that's it. Now remember, I showed you that in this account, I made more money, 50 cents per click, and on this account, I made less money. Why is that and how you can make more money too? This account is my affiliate account where I promote other people's products and I get 50% commission. And this is my product. These are all my products that I make 100% commission. So how you can make it? Simple. You can get the resale rights when you purchase any of my products, especially if you choose, by any chance, if you choose to purchase Maven app, then you will get an upgrade option where you can buy resale rights. And in resale rights, we will upgrade your affiliate commission to 100%. The benefit is that you don't need your own hosting server, you don't need your own website, you don't need anything. All you need is just one affiliate link, and rest are all on us. You don't need your customer support and nothing else. Just one link, and the traffic that will purchase Maven using that link will get you 100% commission and make money like this. More money than other regular affiliate offers. Yep, that's it. Go ahead if you like to purchase Maven. Use the link in the description and get it. And I'll see you inside. Oh, by the way, in case you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I will see you in the next video.